How to screencast in Debut. Select a screen recording area in Debut and adjust video and audio settings. Click Record to start screencasting and stop when finished to save the video. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to screencast in Debut. Below the toolbar, choose whether you want to capture the full screen, a specific window, or a custom selected area. Click the Video Options button to choose your preferred resolution and frame rate. For clearer screencasts, use HD resolution and adjust the frame rate based on your recording needs. Open the audio options and enable microphone recording if you want to include narration or voice instructions. You can also enable speakers to record system audio, such as app sounds or presentation audio. If you want to show your mouse cursor while screen recording, click Options on the Home tab and select Cursor. Enable Show Mouse Cursor, and adjust other settings such as highlight, movement, and click effects. If you want to display keystrokes while screen recording, go to the Effects tab and click Keystrokes. Make sure Display Keyboard Clicks is enabled. You can also adjust settings such as text size, color, and outline. If you want easier controls while presenting, click Options, then go to the Hotkeys tab. Add or customize hotkeys for starting, pausing, and stopping recordings without switching windows. Prepare the content you want to present, then click the Record button or use your assigned hotkey to begin screencasting. Everything within the selected recording area will be captured in real time. When finished, click Stop or use the assigned hotkey. Your screencast recording will automatically save to the selected output folder and can be reviewed, shared, or edited later. For more Debut tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.